Good morning, it's Tuesday morning. Today, I'm gonna start work on this door. I got to pull this glass out. I gotta take this glass out, probably cut this seal, remove this, probably pull my gasket off here. Probably have to replace that. I will pull this off. Take this handle off they put on here, of course. Probably pull this shit here off too. Take hinges off. Get rid of those. And I'll cut my door down. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna cut this. How I'm gonna support it inside there. And my dimensions. I need 39.5, or I have 39.5 inches is my roof opening size. I'm gonna figure this out. It might take a little bit. So I'll put you on the tripod. You can sit and watch. See how it goes. Here. Get the glass out. This stuff's a lot thinner. This stuff is a lot thinner than I thought it would be. For being the bus. It seems so cheap. Okay, as you've seen, that handle did not come off without a fight. I had to cut the handle because it was so rusted. Let me show you. You see in there how rusty it looks. I had to cut this also. I drilled it out there. Set screw went much. I drilled it out there. It just was in there. So my plan of using the handle has not changed. I'm not sure what I'll do. We'll probably try to find a nice cylinder lock with a key. Yeah, I'm not sure. Time watching videos. If you guys get any ideas how I do this, leave in the comments below. What I want is something nice and clean. Either a circular deadbolt lock in there, something I could have really easy. I would like not to have to use a key every time. I'm not against the idea of making a handle and having an external lock, like a padlock on it. Don't quite look as nice. But throw me some ideas. Let me know who to watch on YouTube. If you guys got any good ideas, let me know. See if I can do this one-handed. Very nice. Okay, so what I did is I built this little piece. I took a piece of square and a piece of aluminum, or I'm sorry, I took a piece of square and a piece of angle and I pop rivet them together. These will go inside here, right inside here. Now I'll pop rivet through here to hold in place. And I'll pop rivet the other side underneath here to the steel. What I gotta figure out now is I got these things. I gotta put these down here for the hinge before I put the metal in there, I think. I gotta figure out a hinge pan of some kind or another. I think what's gonna happen, so I'll just clear those down here. I'll put you on the pod. I'll let you watch. Good morning. It is Thursday morning. It's a chilly day outside. I think today's high is like 40-some degrees. Got my pile up cleaned up last night. Looks a lot better out here. Today, I'm going to work on this door. I'm gonna try to get this door, get the hinges on. I got my new tool to put those on. So I'll hook those down there. And then I'll see what I need for steel, then run to the steel store and buy some angle or some square tube, whatever I need. So we'll go from there. Let me see what I need. Might take a little bit. I'll do a little talking to you guys. I'll probably run in town here in a little bit. It is chilly this morning. Holy cow, it's cold. Welcome back. It is Thursday afternoon. I'm still working on the bus. Okay, so I want to switch the way the door swings. So I had to actually cut out the bar below it. So I didn't like the way it came out. So I gotta get some of these, which I have a tool for that, which I did here. So let me put you down and show you how I did it. Okay. So these are called nut rivets. They're thread inside there. So what you'll do, you drill a hole, and then you'll attach these to it. It's like a pop rivet. Works really good. So the tool for the nut riveter is right here. Here's all the size nut rivets here. You got some there, you got some there. So what you do is you drill for this size. This is a quarter 20 thread. For this quarter 20 thread, the directions say 23/64 or 25/64. So I went 24/64, which is 3/8. So I made little holes here, little starts, so I can drill a small hole. I start with 1/8 inch bit, drill those. Now I'll jump up to probably a quarter. Now I'll go 3/8. And I'll show you how this works. It is Friday afternoon. Got my door swinging. Got a clamp on it for now to keep it closed. got a little tweaking to do. Adjust the hinges a little bit tight there. There it is. Kind of pain in the butt. It's good though. Time for me to pick up, call it a night. See you guys in the morning.